guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Glam Bag X and everything that came in the big purple box. I'm really excited to share with you guys this today. This is my first time getting the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and so yeah, if you are excited for this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and ring the bell for all kinds of notifications. Alrighty, so when you open up the box, it just kind of looks like this. Is all the products inside there. And it also comes with a little magazine thing. So every 3 months, Ipsy does the Glam Bag X. And basically, it's a bigger box with more products than the normal Ipsy Premium? No, Plus? I don't know. The other one I get. So every 3 months they do a box, and it is in collaboration with like either another makeup influencer or like a celebrity or something. This time it is with Khloe Kardashian. So it has her picture on the front. She talks about a little bit of things that are in the box, and then the little magazine opens up and it talks about all the products that you could possibly get inside of your box, and it has the retail value of all the products. And I appreciate that, because the regular Ipsy bag and the other Ipsy box, the little pamphlet they give you does not give the full-size value prices. So let's get into this. I was able to pick out 4 of the products. Like, you got to pick from a list of things that you prefer to have. They picked out a few things. So yeah, we're just gonna hop right into this. So first thing in my box is the Pink Diamond Rhodial Cleansing Balm. Let's see. This retails for $59. It feels very thick inside, like you can barely squeeze the bottle. It's a cleansing balm that you can use at night. It's a must for heavy makeup, removes heavy makeup. This one easily dissolves your glam with a luxe melting formula. Has vitamin E, almond oil, rice germ oil to nourish while you cleanse. So here's what it looks like. There's the packaging. It looks really pretty. So next up in the box, I have the Happy, Healthy, Beautiful Skin. Let's see, this one retails for $65. This is a peel. So it comes in this like gold packaging. It says, glowing skin, right this way. Once a week, let the bubbly peel help brighten the party ready skin. So it's just in a gold square packaging. And I do enjoy a good peel, like once a week or sometimes twice a week, so I will use that for sure. The next thing in the box, and I've already been using this, which is this one size product here, which I did pick this item. This is one of my picks, and this retails for $22. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and I love this product already. I actually have on my eyes today. It's in the shade Everything and More. I will swatch it, that way you can see what it looks like. So that's what the swatch looks like. It's like a pink, it has a pink tint to the product, and then a whole bunch of sparkles, and like here's what the packaging looks like. I love like liquid eyeshadows that you can just do like one swipe, swatch, and like you're done type situation. I really like those kinds of products. It's easy for like work, like getting ready for work, and it just makes life a whole lot simpler. Okay, so the next product in my bag is this 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This 111 Skin brand, this stuff is outrageous. This retails for $135. The packaging is pretty. It's like a nice like rose gold packaging. It's really pretty. I like it, and it does smell really kind of like clean, and it says it's Chloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water, niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating, hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. So yeah, I will use this, but I will never see myself purchasing from this brand. I've received a couple things from 111 Skin. I've always enjoyed using them. So yeah, that is a neat thing to receive. Next thing we got is this eyeshadow palette from One Size. It retails for $42. And this was another item I remember I picked out in some choices they gave me. So here's what the inside looks like. It is a more neutral toned palette. It is really pretty. It does have a really pretty pop of blue over here and some nice neutral colors. And I will use this, but I can't say I see it being like my new favorite go-to. I do enjoy that it does have a black in here, because sometimes I'm needing a good black shade, and sometimes I wish I just had a single black eyeshadow, but a lot of eyeshadow palettes don't have a black eyeshadow in the palette, and I wish more brands put black eyeshadows in palettes, because it's a good color to mix with other colors to make a color look more smokier, and I'm glad this one has it in. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, next thing I got is this Tower 28 Milk Lip Jelly. It retails for $14. I think I have one other product from Tower 28, and I do enjoy this brand. It's a really good brand. This is a vegan, cruelty-free, and derm-tested gloss. I'm not sure what derm-tested means. Made with plant-based ingredients. It nourishes dry lips. It gives them a glossy finish without feeling sticky. It doesn't have like a good scent to it or nothing, but it is a really pretty color. I got mine in the shade Cashew. It's just like a nice neutral color. And the next thing I got in my box, I did pick this item, and it is the Ipsy Peony Pop Train case. So it is a makeup bag, and I love a good makeup bag. You know, who doesn't like a good makeup bag? You know, where, you know, stuff is opening back up. You know, might need to carry some makeup around. I don't know. I know people will be going on vacations and stuff and whatnot, but yeah, it just has a really pretty floral print on the inside, and this retails for $18. And the last item I received in my box is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. This is like it's like a ink pen. I have the NYX one like this, and it just creates really fine hair-like strokes, and I'm not sure like how I feel about that. You probably can't even see that, but it just creates like really fine strokes. I have mine in the shade dark brown, so that'll work out for me, and this does retail for $22. I feel like that's really expensive for a brow pencil myself. Yeah, and then I did do a couple add-ons. I'll go ahead and show you the two things I did add on for my box this month. You do have that option each month. The first item being this Purely's BB Cheek Color Blush and Glow. I picked out the shade Malibu Peach. So I'm super excited for this. I love cream blushes. I love peachy blushes. I'm all about it. It does seem like it will sheer out quite a bit. So here's a blush right here. It's kind of a peachy color. Here's the packaging. I think it's really cute. I'm excited for this. And then the other add-on I did was this Hibiscus Balm by Seraphine Botanicals. I love a good lip balm. I recently used up a couple of mine, and I'm excited to add this one to my nightside table. I'm going to go and put some on. It does smell really good. It smells fruity. I love that. So yeah, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag X. Let me add up the total retail value real quick and we'll see how much all this cost. Alrighty, so the retail value for my box was $377, and I did get this box for $50. So I feel like that is a pretty good retail value, and I feel like I did get a nice variety of makeup products. Let's see, I got I got 4 makeup products, a like accessory, and then I got 3 skincare, so that makes a total of 8 products total I got in the box. I feel like it's a pretty good, you know, variety, because I do prefer getting more makeup in my subscription boxes versus skincare. But the skincare items they did send me, it was actually things I will use. I hate it whenever I get like serums that are just like a serum that wouldn't work out for my skin. I do feel like this Radiance one, I feel like this Radiance booster will work out for my skin. I have gotten a couple in the past that are just awful, and they just like sit on my skin, and I'm just like, I'm not going to use this type thing. And I feel like that's wasteful. But you know, if I'm not going to use it, I will, you know, find someone who will. But anyways, I'm rambling, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my Glam Bag X. Let me know if you all received the Glam Bag X this month for the month of May. And yeah, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.